We've arrived in Franz Josef Glacier. It's a cute little town, gorgeous. We're gonna grab breakfast super fast because we haven't eaten anything, and this is gonna be a really intense hike, so we need food. So I'll keep you updated. So just about a mile or so down from Franz Josef Glacier is a beautiful set of walking trails, or hiking trails actually, because they're pretty intense. Alex Knob is the one we will be going on today. Says it's about 8 hours, so hopefully we can cut it down to 5 or 6. That's what a lot of people online were saying, that it's really around 5 if you're just, you know, keeping a good pace. So it is about 9:30 right now, so hopefully we can get back before sundown. If not, who knows? But my God, I am so ready for the views. I am so ready. So we're about 20 minutes in and we're already sweating our butts off. So if you're like me and you get like the shivers from like 60-degree weather and you're always cold, know that you will get hot. I had 4 layers on and now I'm down to 1. You're moving so much, you're hiking so much. If it's a sunny day, of course, that makes it extra hot. Definitely wear your hair up. We both got our ponytails in. And then just wear like a nice, probably long sleeve and a windbreaker, some leggings. Definitely something that covers your whole body because these plants touch you everywhere.
You can be like Tarzan, just run in the jungle with your underwear.
Oh my God, that's a good idea. I could right now.
Wait a second.
What?
I just thought of something.
You're gonna play some dumb song? Oh no.
Let's go. It's like the perfect scene for this.
I hate you. So we've been hiking for like over an hour. We made it to the first little clearing of the trees. Oh wow, that is so pretty. But we probably have what, like 2 hours more going up? Oh my God, 2 hours more. Update, it is getting a little colder as we go up, and it's getting a lot harder of a hike. We passed by another hiker. He said we have like 2 hours to go to the top, so onwards. So from the Christmas lookout, it immediately starts getting very steep. You start inclining pretty fast. There's little birdies right there, tweeting. I feel like we're getting close to the top. Whew, the temperature definitely changes from you're getting super hot to pretty cold, back and forth, jacket on and off. I guess it probably also depends on how fast your pace is. We're almost there. And it's getting so pretty. There's so many birds. Of course, we're just working and getting tired.
We were all the way on the floor.
I know. We were all the way down there. We're almost there. We just gotta keep pushing. So every time you think you're gonna turn the corner and it's gonna be the top, it's not. And we've been going for like what, almost 4 hours, so we should be arriving soon. We did stop a few times to like set up a tripod and take pictures so it slows down. Also, I'm just fat and slow, so you know, it happens. But oh my god, it's just so much climbing and climbing and climbing. So we made it to the top. And we're in a cloud, so we can't see anything. I think maybe if you came earlier, it would be like incredible. I think we read online that around 2, like a cloud comes, but it's like 1, before 1. So I'm like, oh. So there's your incredible views that we worked so hard for. Woo!
It is getting blue though.
It is slowly getting blue. We're just gonna sit here and wait until maybe the cloud clears out.
Look, now you can't see that though. Maybe it's moving here.
I mean, it was a fun hike. I feel like if you're an advanced hiker, you could do it a little quicker and, you know, get up here faster. If you're a more, what are we, just normal?
We're probably almost expert, but not there yet.
Yeah.
Intermediate hike.
Intermediate hikers, and it'll take you like the 3 to 4 hours to get to the top. It was fun, but now you can't see anything, so, you know, it's worth it, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's clearing up a little bit. Come on, cloud. Leave, cloud. Oh my god. We did it. We did it. We did it. The walk back down from the peak, I didn't want to record because I'd fall over probably because it was pretty steep. Oh my god, my legs are on fire. And it was so funny because there were these like French guys that were going up behind us. Like when we were coming down, they were going up. And they passed us going back down. Like, Jesus, how fast are you people? What is this? The trail was supposed to be 8 hours there and back. And we did it in 6.5. So we still did it faster than normal. But these people were just sprinting and they had little shorts on. I'm like, ugh. Anyways, we are so dead. It was amazing. It was so rewarding. And I mean, we're gonna feel really good about ourselves and our body strength that we did that. But was the hardest track I've ever been on. But it was great. It was absolutely amazing. So now we just drove down the street to the little Franz Josef Glacier town, and we are staying at the Rainforest Retreat, I believe it's called. It's pretty cute, just like a bunch of little cabin looking homes. So Ozzy's checking in right now. I did not want to stand up, so that was the update on that. I guess just final notes for the Alex Knob track. It is not easy. It will take you at least 6 hours. Or if you're like me and you're slow and cold all the time, it will take you 6.5. Don't wear too many layers because you'll sweat. And the views are unbeatable. Here's our cute little treehouse cottage. It's so cute. That's it. That's it. It's so sweet. It's pretty nature. Everybody has their own little cottage. It's cute.
Accepted my own challenge. My name is Jack Bauer. And this is a good time to start, partly because the roads are quiet, and partly...
Good morning. Oh, it's raining. Oh. Anyways, we're checking out. It was a good night. It was great. It was super comfortable, pretty quiet, so you get a nice good rest. So we got ready and everything, and we are about to go on our heli hike. So this is our first time being on a helicopter, so we're super excited. And then we're gonna be hiking up Franz Josef Glacier. So we're just gonna pack up our car, check out, and then head on over.
Franz Josef Glacier is one of the steepest glaciers in the country, reaching from the heights of the Southern Alps all the way down to nearly sea level. Compared to other glaciers, it's very accessible for hiking and exploring the ever-changing surface of a glacier. Our hiking guide told us that every few days, the path that they take hikers on completely changes due to the frequent melting and refreezing of the ice. He also informed us that due to global climate change, this glacier, along with many others in the world, might not even exist after 30 years from now. This was truly an incredible hike. With the appropriate gear that was provided for us and very nicely marked and shaped trails, the hike was fairly easy and we stayed pretty warm. This is not an adventure you want to miss out on, especially with how quickly this world is deteriorating in front of our eyes. We need to cherish these beautiful natural wonders before they're gone, while doing our best to reverse the negative change on our planet. Join us on our next adventure where we drive down the coast to Queenstown, luge race down a cliffside, ski down Mount Cardrona, and enjoy ciders with an old friend. You don't want to miss it.